Mbaro gw'abaana hati abarikuzara bato buri haiguru ninga shabu turikweta teen mothers ninga abaana babishiki abarikuzara bari hasi y'emyaka 18 buri haiguru munonga hati waza kure statistics ziturekire kushoboza ndabakoreka ngo burugomborra acuruhura noshanga okwezo tuzaruzemo abana barikufuka 5-8 hariho n'amagombora gari yo mbani 10 hari imyaka 15 hari imyaka 15 hari imyaka 10
abaho nagira ngo abazire no banagijura abana babo icyo kuretera abana baba banyamwegendaho
buri barizo kona ntagira umwe mbese after the probation ataza nankari yo nahinjira ningo okibota tayidi nka LC1 ninga LC3 ninga umutaka ubundi umwana wenka yibesu after ajya tato ubutwahumana atunashanga abashije mukabaresere ngo ataru atkandi yo tindi kwenda kushwera kandi nuna nabandi abashomero hari amashomero abashomesa barakugambira umushomesa akugambira akugira ati umwana ngambire iki sunanisha abangu munyana
okugambe no babire batebekanisa omushomo okureba kuba kubasa kutangira abana kutungenda no kushwerwa abakero bato otireho no kubashomesa by'emikono.
Both police and health, those forms are free. Then you start saying there is no printing. The form is open. No. You get then a paper and improvise. Look at the state of this woman, identified child of 8 years. She has come from 40 kilometers. A kind border has brought her. But she has come to you, even before going to the health facility, because you will rescue her.
Abana bamwe tubakwenda kufunza. We don't offer a listening ear to the advice we give. So, umwana wareba ngo we need guidance and leadership. Umwana wareba ngo you are very trained. Either she's curious, that person wants to drop out. Maybe that person has got investment from a wealth man. So address the problem at its first sight. Don't wait. Umwana banza shwewe ubone kumiyamba.
Shweba bakiri bato ninga bazira bari batwara abana babo kubahinjira bakiri bato kunga turebo bwiro bwinshi abantu bamwe bagambo boro abandi mbe kwatsishonge zo kureba ngo nizibasika kubanizerwa mwene abazire abamazire babine sente ari kureba batwara abana baba bayishomera ari kuri muzire inente nabasakushomesa umwana kunga stina abo kunente no kunda sente ayenda kwatwara umwana wa mushoze kwenda tugeze
Mchebeza ngwenda nayo kuzara umujura kunanka wena shanga wena burumbi rwona burye nkona hata bananse bambuza kunga shoko mwana bena ngaho hanga mutabena atizokishi atinga kuzara gwira bw'abantu bwika azara hata jura chumajo arabusha kunyuri bamareba tine mbirugo abegitara umukoni
polisi nayo tungirwe mwaka kumu okubyemere emishango y'umuringogo
mishandling of environment rape. So also police has a challenge with you find that a child is defiled when they ask the parent the birth certificate is not there. The parent must be issued with a medical form for the victim of defilement.
Abebembezi bagira ngo abazire baba batatire mu mani tine kirije kwihinduka okurugo bwihangarizo mukeshereko ka COVID-19 mu mwaka gw'2021 ekizube cyo muri kiruhura kikeyongera munonga okusyana hati gasha kwa Paulo turi yamureba.